Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another Plan With Me video. This Plan With Me is for Valentine's Day week, so just a couple of weeks ago, and I am using the Winter Wonderland kit from Miss and Meow. But first I want to kind of catch up a little bit. First, I'm in a new planner. I don't think that I showed this last time, but this is my Aura Estelle planner with my B6 inserts from Sadie Stickers. It's the same planner that I have in Spiral, but I wanted B6 ring bound for this planner. I think it's a little bit easier to plan. And I know that I did like this whole I'm back just a couple of weeks ago before the holidays, and then lo and behold, no videos. But I did do a couple of holiday planner spreads. I just kind of did them by myself. What I am finding, friends, is that my weeks kind of alternate. And I feel like I either have weeks where I'm way too busy and no time to sit down and write down what I'm doing or time to decorate my planner, much less film. And then on the other hand, I have weeks where I just do nothing. Nothing is going on outside of work, and it's literally just me like watching TV or going to the gym or doing laundry, and that just doesn't feel fun enough to plan and not worth using my stickers for. So I'm trying to catch these in between weeks where I have like a little bit going on. It's not too crazy, and I can still put something together that's really nice. And another thing that I'm finding often at the last minute is that I don't have enough kits anymore. I have a lot of like decorative stickers. I still have a lot of icons. I feel like I have plenty there, but when it comes to kits, I'm kind of lacking. Like you might be thinking, why use a Winter Wonderland kit for, I was going to say Thanksgiving, oh my God, for Valentine's Day. I did like it, and if you know anything about the weather, how it's been in New York and the Northeast, it's been very cold. And it actually did work for this week because on Saturday, you'll see that I marked that we went snow tubing. So we had like a very fun winter day. And I like the colors. There's a little bit of pink in this kit. But honestly, it was just the closest thing that I could use for this time of year because I don't have as many sticker kits as I used to. I would love to know your recommendations for shops that sell your favorite sticker kits right now, and preferably ones that maybe don't take a really, really long time to kind of ship and arrive at your door. I absolutely know that running a business, like making stickers, is not an easy feat and that it takes time, but I feel like I'm at this point where I'm not buying like a million kits just because anymore. A part of like the reason that I kind of scaled back with planning over the last couple of years was not just because of like my interest or my time, although those were big parts of it, also just because of like the money. I was spending a lot on stickers, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate, because it was just like the only thing that I had going on, right? Like it was my main hobby. But now that I've gotten a little older, we are in our 30s. I have different financial goals, so I feel like I have to be more decisive about where I'm buying stickers from, which is like a funny thing to say when you like say it like that. But I just feel like I have to be decisive about it. I can't waste a ton of money, and I also like want. I don't want to wait a super long time. Like, I know my girl Alicia Sadie Stickers, she will get you your stickers quickly. Miss and Meow has a pretty solid turnaround when she does do releases. Although, did you guys see she's expecting a second baby? She did post it on her story, so I don't think that that's a surprise anywhere. So she's probably gonna go on maternity leave sometime this year. And like, I recently bought from a shop that it had a long turnaround, but I still think that it went over it a little bit, and it almost ended up taking me like 2 months to get a kit. One kit that I ordered and it showed up, and I had like completely forgotten about it. So all of this to say, if you have some sticker shops that you like buying kits from, especially in this style that I may not know about, please let me know. Because let me tell you right now, if I do some more videos throughout February into March, it's all going to be winter kits because I have a couple of those, and I don't think that I have maybe one or two spring kits to get me into March, so I have to start to buying in advance. Part of it is also just that I'm like waiting until the last minute. So that is, I think, all to get us through the base of the spread. I didn't do anything crazy here. If you have any questions, I'm happy to ask, but I love what I did on the sidebar with the big deco stickers. But I guess now we're going into the day by day. On Monday, I just did some reading time. I also washed my hair and did some groceries. As far as reading, I've always loved reading, but I just finished the ACOTAR series, and that's what I was finishing this week, the A Court of Thorns and Roses. I just finished the first 3 books, which are like the main books, and I'm so so into it, you all. I just started the 4th book this week, so you'll probably see that in my next spread. And what I've been doing at night is kind of setting up like cozy reading time. I will set my hatch light to like a purpley blue dim color. I'll put some lavender pillow spray on like my blankets and sheets. I've also discovered like reading ambiance videos on YouTube, so I'll put like Valeris ambiance. If you know the books, then it's like a location, and it's just so cozy, and I get a little snack, and I've just been enjoying reading at night. The only problem is that I stay up a little bit too late, so if you've read ACOTAR 2, let me know what you think. On Tuesday, I made some fish tacos, I did some laundry, and I've been watching, well, I'm done now, but I watched season 4 of Sweet Magnolias, one of my favorite shows. It's really kind of corny, but I just love it. If you like Hallmark movies and you want like a little bit more drama, you can try Sweet Magnolias on Netflix and let me know what you think, because I definitely enjoy it. Then on Wednesday, I just did a Target order for some additional groceries that weren't at my local grocery store. I cooked dinner, and then I marked that I cleaned the bathroom, but sometimes I feel like I'd be lying, because like, who's cleaning the bathroom on a Wednesday? I think that there's something going on there and I'm writing things incorrectly, but apparently that's what I did. On Thursday, along with like my reading time, my other cozy time has been playing Disney Dreamlight Valley on my Switch. It is like a little, honestly, it's probably intended for children, although a lot of adults play it. It's a game where you are in like this valley with a bunch of Disney characters and you help them with little missions, and I love it. It's actually really good, and I think that you would enjoy it if you like things like, God, what's that other game that people played like during COVID? I don't remember, but if you like little cozy games, I've been enjoying it. So I also do something very similar for my Dreamlight Valley time. I also built some Legos. I'm not crazy about Legos, but my brother had a set that he didn't build from the holidays, so I just used a little house sticker to mark that, and then some more reading time. Friday was Valentine's Day, so I used like a really big, pretty floral to mark that. My sweet boyfriend sent me some flowers, so I used some flower stickers. I also baked some Valentine's Day cupcakes for my family. And then we had like a pretty big Saturday plan, so we just got some pizza from our favorite place on Friday. On Saturday, we went to the gym and to the sauna. We joined a local like sauna club where you do like a weekly sauna appointment, and I've been loving it. So I actually got a sauna sticker from White Deer Stationery, and it's super cute and appropriate. Then we went snow tubing. I've always wanted to go. Girl, I nearly like broke my leg because my knee got all funky, but I still had a really fun time, and that inspired this kit. And then we got some of our favorite Japanese food, some like cozy udon afterwards. Then on Sunday, we just slept in. We went to a local cafe and got some pastries, and we started Severance, so that's been really exciting too. It's such a good show. And then we got some sushi. So that is my full week. Nothing crazy, but I love how this spread turned out, and I think that the colors are super pretty, and it worked for this week. But hopefully you enjoyed watching. We will chat soon. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye.